You will need 3 terracotta pots, 1 small, 1 medium, and 1 large, 1 tray, paint, a paintbrush, and some strong glue. First up, paint all your 3 pots and the tray different colours. Once everything is dry, it's time to start gluing. Starting with your big pot, flip it so the bottom of the pot is pointing to the sky. Now put a ring of glue on the edge of the pot and stack your medium pot on top. Then put your small pot on the medium pot. And finally, add your tray to the top. Leave it to dry. Then move it to the garden and add your water for the birds to enjoy. Mihado! Awesome! Head to darwinandnewts.com